How to trade real versus false breakouts with fundamental context. Traders, welcome. Breakouts fail when they're driven by noise, not narrative. The key isn't just a price bar closing above resistance. It's whether the breakout has a fundamental driver. Today, we'll combine technicals and fundamentals to trade only the high conviction breakouts. 1. The core problem. Technicals without context. A price breakout on a chart tells you what is happening. Fundamentals tell you why. Without the why, you're gambling on a chart pattern alone. A false breakout often lacks a supporting fundamental story. 2. The 3 fundamental catalysts for real breakouts. Only enter a long breakout if it aligns with at least one of these. Earnings-driven. The stock breaks out after a strong earnings report that shows accelerating revenue and profits, not just a beat on lowered expectations. Sector/industry tailwind. The breakout aligns with a positive shift for the entire industry, e.g., an auto stock breaking out on strong EV delivery data from multiple peers. Macroeconomic shift. The asset is breaking out in line with a major macroeconomic trend, e.g., a commodity breaking out as inflation data surprises to the upside, or a currency pair breaking as central bank policy expectations shift. 3. The step-by-step trade plan. Identify the technical setup. Spot your potential breakout level on the chart, e.g., a 52-week high. Run the fundamental check before the breakout occurs. Ask, what fundamental news could drive a sustained move beyond this level? If there's no clear answer, be skeptical. Wait for the catalyst. Do not buy the first touch. Wait for the fundamental catalyst, earnings report, economic data, sector news, to hit, and for price to react, with a high-volume breakout close above the level. Enter on the retest. Your best entry is often on the first pullback to retest the new support level, the old resistance, after the fundamental-fueled breakout. 4. The false breakout warning sign. If price breaks a technical level on low volume and there is no identifiable fundamental catalyst, it is highly suspect. This is often a liquidity grab or stop hunt. Your action should be to avoid it or even fade it. Real breakouts need a story. By waiting for fundamental context to confirm your technical setup, you filter out most of the false signals. Use the news and analysis tools on your FXCM platform to perform this crucial check on every trade. Thanks for